If you keep waking up at 2 or 3 a.m., you don't have insomnia. You have an adrenal crash. And once you fix the root cause, you sleep like a child again. I can't tell you how many people come to me saying, "Alan, I fall asleep fine, but every night, like clockwork, I wake at 2 a.m. Then my brain switches on, my heart races, I overthink everything, and I can't go back to sleep." They think it's stress or anxiety or bad luck. But the truth is biochemical. Your adrenal glands are panicking. Your blood sugar is crashing. Your cortisol rhythm is broken. And that 2 a.m. wake up is not a psychological problem. It's a chemical emergency inside your body. Let me share with you 3 secrets. Secret number 1. Your 2 a.m. wake up is a blood sugar plus adrenal crash. When you sleep, your body still needs glucose for your brain. But if your adrenal glands are weak, they cannot release stored glucose from the liver. So around 2 a.m., blood sugar drops, the brain panics, adrenal glands release adrenaline, the heart races, the mind wakes up. You feel wired but tired. This is not insomnia. This is adrenal exhaustion. Secret number 2. Your sleep can be repaired, and much faster than you think. Most people believe their sleep is ruined forever. It's just age, it's stress, it's hormonal. No. Your body is trying to protect you, not punish you. The moment you give your adrenals the right minerals, the right nutrients, the right nighttime support, the right cortisol rhythm, your sleep restores shockingly fast. I see people going from waking 5 to 6 times a night to sleeping 7 hours straight in less than a week. Secret number 3. There's an activation system your body must turn on before sleep can heal. Most people try magnesium, teas, herbs, sedatives, but here's the truth. Your cells must activate the melatonin pathway. Your cortisol must drop at the right time. Your nervous system must switch from fight or flight to recovery. There is a cellular activation step that almost nobody talks about. This is the missing link that makes people finally say, "Alan, this is the first time I've slept deeply in years." If you want to stop the 2 a.m. wake-up cycle, if you want to sleep deeply, naturally, and wake restored, book your free 30-minute health consultation. The link is in the description and in my bio. I'll show you what your adrenals, cortisol, and nervous system need to give you the first real sleep you've had in years.